I'm going to break 967 for the Gold Rush Baseball Value Pack. Appreciate everyone getting it. Let's go ahead and refresh the date time according to eBay. It's currently Tuesday, July 3rd, 2018. It's currently 9:06 p.m. Eastern Time and 6:06 p.m. Pacific Time. We have Lucas with 2, Gio with 1, BRMVP with 10, Brow with 1, Euclid 1, Donzer Sizemore with 1, Gio 4, Justin Liam with 10. Alright guys, copy and paste on random.org. Randomize 5 times. Here we go. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Last time. Justin, you're on top, and Sizemore on the bottom 5 times. Paste here next at 30 teams, alphabet quarter. Got a larger font for you guys. Okay. Justin the Diamondbacks, MVP Braves Orioles, Gio Red Sox, Justin Cubs, Gio White Sox, Justin Reds Indians, MVP Rockies Tigers, Justin Astros, Lucas Royals Angels, MVP Dodgers, Justin Marlins Brewers, MVP Twins, Justin Mets, Gio Yankees Athletics, MVP Phillies, Justin Pirates, MVP Padres, Brow Giants, Justin Mariners, MVP Cardinals, Gio Rays, Euclid Rangers, MVP Blue Jays, and Dons with the Nationals. There we have it. There we have it. Good luck, guys. Good luck, Gio. Brandon. 967, fellas. Here we go. First hit, the Frank Edward Thomas game used back card for the Blue Jays, Toronto Blue Jays. Pace of Greatness. Fred Edward Thomas. Bauman Heritage, 2007, for Toronto. Next up, numbered out of 25. Hey, Ichiro, patch auto out of 25. Let's see if that was a case hit. Oh, it was too. Look. We hit one of the cards on the boxes. How about that, fellas? Ichiro on card out of Game Used Memorabilia. Top certified autograph issue. 8 out of 25. Ichiro on card auto going out to the Mariners. What's up, Rob? Man, check that out. We hit one of the case hits. Ichiro out of Diamond Icons. 2017 Topps Icons. Ichiro Suzuki 3-color patch auto. On card 8 out of 25. Nice hit. And there's one left. Very nice hit, guys. Last hit is a Eddie Collins back card here. Museum Age, Golden Age, Matt Collins. Have to see where that's going. But super nice. Ichiro Suzuki on card auto. Patch on card auto. Very nice. Check those out, guys. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, Toronto's getting the Frank Thomas. Toronto's going to be MVP. Nice hit, MVP. Seattle Mariners, Justin Liam. You got yourself the Ichiro patch auto for the Seattle Mariners. Very nice. 1-1. Ichiro Suzuki. Alright, and then the last card, which is a Eddie Collins. Let me see if there's any identification. I don't know. Eddie Collins. Never heard of him. Let's see, played for nickname Cocky. Played for the Philadelphia Athletics and Chicago White Sox. $13 for Philadelphia. Philadelphia Athletics. Well, we'll see if the jerseys match up. I think he's in a White Sox jersey here. Looks like a Chicago. Look at the hat and the jersey. Looks like it's going to go to Chicago. See the jersey? Looks like he's wearing a Chicago jersey in the picture. So we're going to go ahead and give this to Chicago. Okay. Chicago White Sox. It's going to go to Gio9223. Nice hit, Gio. Snag that. Well, Gio, you had both teams, so win-win there. So, Gio, you got Eddie Collins. The Frank Thomas is going out to MVP. Then the nice Ichiro is going out to Justin Liam. Nice snag, guys. All right, copy and paste, ram.org 5 times. Whoever's on top gets that free spot into the mini helmet giveaway. Let's see. Once, twice. And Gio cleaning up on that bonus spot. All right, man. I'll see you. And then Justin, you're getting a spot for buying 10. And MVP, you're getting a spot for buying 10 as well. So congrats, guys. Alright, everyone. Thanks for getting it. I appreciate it. Take another look here. These two, and then Ichiro Suzuki. Autograph patch auto. Case hit there. Very nice. Alright, guys. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, feel free to ask. If you guys have not subscribed yet, please do. Turn on notifications. Oh, never miss a live break. Social media, PSportsCoach24. Be sure to check it out. Facebook, Instagram, PSportsCoach24. Just watch this on eBay or YouTube. All my breaks are from eBay, PSportsCoach24. Alright, guys. Have a good one. Thank you.